So today I'm going to show you how to add your logo as a pip on top of the blue marble. I'm going to be using our NOAA logo. I've just plugged in my USB drive and it's appeared on my desktop. If I double click that, you can see I have my NOAA logo here. So I'm going to right click and copy that. And then I want to put it in the /shared/SOS/media, and we'll do it in extras. And I already have a NOAA logo folder, but we'll make a new folder and we'll call it Beth Logo. So if we open that, we'll paste our NOAA logo. And then we need a background image. I want to use the blue marble, and we can either point to that remotely or we can just get a copy of it. I think I'm going to get a copy of it. So that's in land, and there's blue marble, and let's use this blue marble image right here. So we'll copy that, and we want to go back to our logo. Oh, I can't type here. So go back to Beth Logo and we'll paste our map. So we have the two pieces we need. The third thing that we need is a playlist.sos file. So there's a couple different ways to do this. If you go to Applications and Accessories, you can open your text editor. And so the basic is you do name equals, and we'll call this new logo on blue marble. And that's the name that's going to appear in your SOS string GUI in the playlist. Data equals 4096.jpg. It needs to match exactly. If we look at our folder, our image here is called 4096.jpg. Pip equals, and we need that to match exactly, so let's see what that name was. It's NOAA logo trans.png. And I have a transparent background in my NOAA logo, so it has to be a PNG. Now if we leave it at just that, let's see what that looks like. We'll do save, and we want to save it in that same folder. So we need to make sure we are in, so go to File System and find Shared, SOS, Media, Extras, and then look for Beth Logo. And we want to save it as playlist.sos and save that. So now we can close it, and there's our playlist.sos file. Now if you pull open a sphere, I can do this a little differently since I don't have an actual sphere here. I'll open it this way. So if I go to File, Open Playlist, and I type in the location of that SOS playlist we just made, let's see, that was in Extras, and we go to Beth Logo, open up this playlist, we'll see if it works, and there we go. So that's a very basic one, and we can use more pip options to specify different features for that.